Good day everyone, my name is Grace. This video is created to guide US citizens in bringing their foreign fiancés to the United States and for the foreign fiancés in getting their fiancé visa. The contents in this video are based on my personal experience in obtaining my fiancé visa and do not guarantee an exact experience for all applications, as all visa procedures may be unique and are handled on a case-to-case basis. However, the videos in this channel will serve as your guide in your application process. If necessary, you are recommended to seek professionals for any legal immigration advice. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos regarding the fiancé visa journey. Let's get started! In my previous video, I have summarized what US citizens need to petition their foreign fiancé. The video answered the following questions. How do I know if I'm eligible to petition my foreign fiancé? What are the documents required to petition my foreign fiancé? How much and what payment method can I use to settle the payment? How to submit my application to petition my foreign fiancé? What should I not include in my submission? What should I expect after filing the petition? If you haven't watched the video yet, I will put the link in the description for your reference. In this video, I will discuss the process of applying for a fiancé visa. I was a fiancé visa applicant and I will walk you through the steps on how I got my visa. In the previous video, I have mentioned that the fiancé visa is applied in a country of residence of the foreign fiancé. So, when is the right time to start the application for the foreign fiancé? After USCIS approves the petition is then sent to the National Visa Center, or is also called as NVC. When the NVC forwards the approved form I-129F, the NVC will mail a letter to the petitioner where it says that the petition has been approved and that the petition has been sent to the US Embassy or Consulate where the foreign fiancé lives. A case number is provided along the letter. At this stage, the foreign fiancé must start with the application of K-1 non-immigrant visa in his or her U.S. Embassy or country of residence consulate by preparing the requirements and by getting prepared for the interview. But first, as a foreign fiancé, before you schedule your interview, you must complete the following requirements. You, the foreign citizen fiancé, will be required to bring the following forms and documents to the visa interview. The completed Form DS-160, or also known as the Online Non-Immigrant Visa Application. You and any eligible children applying for K-2 visas must 1. Complete Form DS-160 and 2. Bring the DS-160 confirmation page containing the barcode information to bring to your interview. A passport valid for travel to the United States and with a validity of at least 6 months beyond your intended period of stay in the United States. For more information about the visa waiver program, you can go to this website. Birth certificate, proof of divorce or death certificates of any previous spouses for both you and the U.S. citizen sponsor, certificate of no marriage, police certificates from your present country of residence in all countries where you have lived for 6 months or more since age 16. Police certificates are also required for accompanying children aged 16 or older. Country-specific information on how to secure your foreign police certificate is available at this website. You also need medical examination results, where vaccinations are optional. In preparing for the interview, applicants will need to schedule and complete a medical examination. Before the issuance of immigrant or K visa, every applicant, regardless of age, must undergo a medical examination, which must be performed by an authorized panel physician. You will be provided instructions regarding medical examination from the U.S. Embassy or Consulate where you will apply for your visa, including information on authorized panel physicians. See medical examination for more information, including a list and frequently asked questions. K visa applicants are encouraged to get the vaccinations required under U.S. immigration law for immigrant visa applicants. Although such vaccinations are not required for K visa issuance, they will be required when adjusting status of that of legal permanent resident following your marriage. Applicants are therefore encouraged to fulfill these vaccination requirements at the time of the medical examination. You can check this website for vaccination requirements for immigrant visa applicants for the list of required vaccinations and additional information. The evidence of financial support or the Form I-134 or Affidavit of Support may be requested. For the proof of financial support and affidavit of support forms, during the visa interview, applicants will be required to present evidence to the consular officer that they will not become a public charge in the United States. You may present evidence that you are able to financially support yourself or that your U.S. citizen fiancé is able to provide support. The consular officer may request that a Form I-134 or Affidavit of Support be submitted by the U.S. citizen fiancé. 3. 2x2 photographs. You can see the required photo format explained in the website below for the photograph requirements. Evidence of relationship with your U.S. citizen fiancé. Note that the consular officer may ask for additional information such as photographs and other proof that the relationship with your U.S. fiancé is genuine. Documents in foreign languages other than the language of the country in which the application takes place should be translated. Applicants should take to the visa interview clear, legible photocopies of civil documents and translations such as birth and divorce certificates. Original documents and translations will be returned. Other requirements you may bring are the copy of the Form I-797C, Notice of Action. This is the form that notifies the petitioner the USCIS received of the Form I-129F or the petition for early and fiancé. You can also bring the copy of the NVC email. This is the letter NVC sends to your fiancé saying that the petition has been approved and the case is forwarded to the U.S. Embassy or Consulate of the foreign fiancé's country of residence, IRS, or the tax return transcript for the past 3 years, W-2 form for the past 3 years, salary pay stub for the past 3 months, copy of the U.S. passport, copy of their certificate of naturalization if the petitioner became a U.S. citizen through naturalization. Only when applicable to you, applicants who serve in the military or police should present certified copies of their military or police service records. For the payment of fees are charged for the following services: non-immigrant visa application processing fee. For the Form DS-160, it is required for each K visa applicant. Medical examination. This is required for each K-1 visa applicant. Costs vary from post to post. Other costs may include translation and photocopying charges, fees for getting the documents required for the visa application, such as passport, police certificates, birth certificates, and travel expenses to the U.S. Embassy or consulates for an interview. Costs may vary from country to country and case to case. For current fees for the Department of State, you may see this website for the fees for visa services. For current fees for USCIS, see Check Filing Fees on the USCIS website. Once you have completed all the requirements, you, the foreign fiancé, may schedule an interview with a U.S. Embassy or Consulate. This can be done by calling your U.S. Embassy or Consulate to arrange the interview appointment schedule, or you can create an online account in your U.S. Embassy or Consulate and set an appointment from there based on their availability. You, the foreign fiancé, must bring all the required forms and documents to the visa interview to facilitate the same-day approval. Note that you risk significant delays by failing to bring all documentary requirements to the interview. It is strongly recommended that you reschedule your visa interview date if you are unable to bring all the required documentation. The Department of State consular officers determines whether you are qualified for the K-1 non-immigrant visa. If the consular officer grants the K-1 non-immigrant visa, it is valid for up to 6 months for a single entry. If the consular officer does not find the relationship to be bona fide, Department of State will not issue a K-190 migrant visa and instead will return the Form I-129F to USCIS. Generally, if Department of State returns a Form I-129F to USCIS after it has expired, USCIS will allow it to remain expired. However, you may choose to file a new Form I-129F. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.